Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Charge the gimbal and phone to at least half so nothing drops mid-setup. Next, install the manufacturer app and enable Bluetooth and location on your phone, because many apps require location to discover devices. Power the gimbal and put it into pairing mode by holding the power or Bluetooth button for 3 to 5 seconds. You'll see LEDs or hear a tone. Once the gimbal announces pairing, keep the phone nearby and stay in the app's device list to continue. After the gimbal appears in the app, tap to pair and accept any PIN or permission prompts. This completes the Bluetooth link. Once paired, perform calibration. Use auto-calibrate in the app or manually level the phone and adjust yaw, pitch, and roll until axes are stable. This prevents motor strain. Then choose your control mode such as pan, lock, or FPS and set motor strength based on phone weight. Also check for a firmware update and install it if available to ensure stable performance and bug fixes. Finish by securely mounting your phone and testing controls. Move the joystick, tilt the gimbal, and switch follow modes to verify responsiveness. Make sure the app displays live telemetry and that stabilization is smooth. Record a short clip to confirm video stabilization and framing. If anything fails, restart the phone and gimbal, then repair in the app. One key troubleshooting tip: if connection drops or motors twitch, fully power cycle both devices. Reinstall the app and update firmware before trying a.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.